So the Sportsman Guide Visa is a credit card that a lot of people was able to get approvals with using a shopping cart trick. Somebody was able to get a $3,000 credit card using Camping World, which is a website. They was able to get the pop up, and then they was able to get the Sportsman Guide Visa credit card. Now, I have recently tried to see if I can get this credit card, and I have found that it's actually harder for me to get that pop up. Now, when you guys are trying to get the credit card with the Sportsman Guide Visa card, you want to go to campingworld.com and you want to put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. Once you guys put these items in your cart, try to see if you can check out. But as you put your information in, especially right before you get to the payment screen or when you're on that payment screen, just wait a little bit. Like if you watch my old videos, just wait a little bit, move your mouse around in different places. I don't know, just give it a minute or something for your computer to load, maybe for them to get the information in, because sometimes it take a little longer for people to get that pop-up for the Sportsman Guide Visa using a shopping cart trick. But definitely come back and let us know if you're able to get that approval. And also be careful sometimes when it comes down to the Sportsman Guide Visa, because you can get just a regular Camping World card and then you can get their Visa card. And then sometimes if people get the Visa, they do see that sometimes they may get a hard inquiry. So just be careful.